In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with your phone using Google Wallet. If you want a quick and convenient way to make contactless payments, this is a simple process that only takes a few moments to set up and use. Before you try paying at a store, the first thing you need to do is make sure NFC is turned on in your phone settings. NFC is the feature that allows your phone to communicate with a contactless payment terminal when the two devices are held close together. On most phones, you can find this option by opening Settings and searching for NFC, or by looking under Connections or Wireless Settings. If it's already enabled, you're good to go. If not, turn it on before moving forward. Next, open Google Wallet and add a valid credit or debit card. If this is your first time using the app, it may guide you through the setup automatically. Follow the prompts to enter your card details and verify the card if required by your bank. Make sure the card you add is active and approved for contactless or mobile payments. This step is important because your phone needs a payment method ready in Google Wallet before you can tap to pay at a terminal. Once everything is set up, you're ready to make a purchase. When you're at the checkout, unlock your phone. This is an important part of the process because your device usually needs to be unlocked to authorize the payment securely. You don't necessarily need to keep the Google Wallet app open unless your phone specifically requires it, but your phone should be awake and unlocked so it can complete the transaction properly. Now hold the back of your phone near the contactless payment terminal. Positioning matters here because the NFC chip is usually located near the center or upper back area of the phone. Keep it close to the terminal for a moment and wait for confirmation. When the payment goes through, you should see a blue check mark on your phone. That check mark lets you know the transaction was successfully processed. If it doesn't work right away, don't pull the phone away too quickly. Try holding it steady for another second and make sure the back of the phone is lined up with the contactless symbol on the terminal. As long as NFC is on, your card is added in Google Wallet, and your phone is unlocked, the process should be smooth and fast. And that's how to pay with your phone using Google Wallet.